Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to discuss and review about a store that is Kesmia.com. So if you are interested to know about Kesmia.com, stay tuned with us, watch the video till the end, and by the end we will be able to discuss either Kesmia.com is a legit or a scam store. So let's begin with our video. Kesmia.com is actually an e-commerce portal for brand items lovers that claims a vast collection of sneakers, shoes, apparel, sunglasses, bags, and many more. It claims to serve worldwide, including USA. So the it was actually an online store, but in their official website they have not mentioned any email address or contact details. Moreover, the official address is not mentioned on the official web page, but we can check the rating of this store, and it is https protocol and certified store. Moreover, their products are apparel, shoes, bags, accessory, and much more, and they have mentioned the payment method as Visa, Amex, and MasterCard. So the positive points of buying from Kesmia.com is that it offers a vast collection of branded items look so attractive. There are so many branded products are available. Instagram and Pinterest pages are active. The negative point of Casemia.com are that no verified portal has shoppers Casemias.com reviews. Only the website the reviews are available, and all are positive, and that looks suspicious. No communication mode have been shared on the website, and it was developed on 22nd April 2021. It holds bad trust rank 4.7 out of 100. It has specific 1% trust index, which considered too low. Moreover, no refund or return policies have been shared on the website. The prices of the items are too high. Very little information is available on the website. So the question in our mind is still that is this a legit or a scam? As the domain age is just 2 months old and its trust rank is very bad, 4.7 out of 100, and the company founder information is not available anywhere on the website. The facilities of online and payment methods are just Visa card, Mastercard, and Amex. No social media presence is just Instagram and Pinterest, and those pages are working, which is a positive sign. But on the user feedbacks are available on official page. No output is available on the Trustpilot. No communication facility extend here. 50% content of the website is plagiarized, and the trust score is just 1%. As we all know, customer reviews are very important for checking out the legitimacy of the website. So on when we explore the internet for our satisfaction, only a few feedbacks are available on the website. However, all are favorable and hold 5-star rating, but no lines open by a user on any verified portal like Trustpilot. So, by concluding our discussion, we can say that it is a truth that the website is too new in the market and hard to conclude its reality. So, in our final conclusion, we can say that we have few points like users Kesmia.com reviews available on only portal like on their own website, but the trust rank is bad, trust score inferior, prices are too high, social media pages are no doubt active, and no communication detail present, and so on. So we will just suggest our viewers that before placing your order on this store, just do your own research on your own behalf, so you may not get scammed and you can make a wise decision for your shopping.